Hi guys, this is a zone cylinder. It's a 5-pin lock. No key for this. Let's just get straight in, tensioning on the open side, and find the back of the lock. Light tension, lightish tension. You have to hang on to it, otherwise you drop the pins quite readily. No obvious binding pin. A little bit of movement on pin 1. Click from pin 4. Okay, that's a full set out of pin 1. Okay, we're on pin 3. It's a counter rotation. Let's try pin 1. Seems to be the gatekeeper. There we are, it's picked open. Yeah, not too bad at all. That fun pick. Quite lively pins in there. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.